Understanding, we've drifted apart. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a phrase that you might have heard in movies, songs, or even in real-life conversations. We've drifted apart. This phrase is rich in meaning and often used to describe relationships. So if you've ever wondered what it truly means, you're in the right place. Let's explore this together and help you understand its usage in English. When people say, "We've drifted apart," they are usually talking about a relationship that has changed over time. This could be a friendship, a romantic relationship, or any other kind of close bond. The key idea here is that, once, these individuals were very close, but now, there's a noticeable distance between them. It's important to note that this drifting is often gradual and unintentional, much like how a boat might slowly drift away from the shore without anyone realizing it until it's far out to sea. There are many reasons why people might drift apart. Sometimes, it's because of changes in interests, life situations, or priorities. For example, one person might move to a new city for work or school, causing physical and emotional distance to grow. In other cases, people simply grow and change, and what once brought them together no longer serves the same purpose. Understanding that drifting apart is a natural part of many relationships can be comforting and is a crucial aspect of navigating personal connections. "We've drifted apart" is often used in reflective or conversational contexts. It can be a gentle way to acknowledge that a relationship isn't as strong as it used to be, without placing blame on anyone. For instance, you might hear it in a conversation like this. Person A: "Do you still talk to Jamie?" Person B: "Not really. We've drifted apart over the years." This phrase can convey a sense of sadness or nostalgia, but it can also express a mutual understanding that relationships sometimes change despite our best efforts. In different cultures, the concept of drifting apart might be understood or expressed differently. However, the fundamental idea of relationships changing over time is universal. Recognizing this phrase and understanding its nuances can help English language learners navigate conversations about relationships with more empathy and insight. And that's a wrap on "We've Drifted Apart." We hope this video has shed some light on this poignant phrase and its usage in English. Remember, relationships are complex and ever-changing, and it's okay to acknowledge these shifts. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the English language. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.